Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Got a special treat here for you. Really unique boat. This is 70 Venture, a 2013 model Sea Ray Venture. Something really special you're going to see with this is the outboard propulsion. So winterization, that kind of stuff, other than freshwater systems, this thing can be run all year. Trim the motors up out of the water. You have no running gear inside, sitting inside the water, because it'll actually trim up completely dry. So really a nice feature. One of the things that's really nice, these things are running right now. I'm carrying on a conversation. Absolutely smooth. Once you close this lid, you can't hear anything, and it becomes a very nice sun lounge area here. These little gull wings will actually flip around on both sides. Really gives you a nice area for 4 people to be able to lay out. I'm 6'5". I can lay at that kind of at an angle, but a couple of ladies laying across the back of this or some kids, what a great area to lounge. Nice full beam swim platform across the back. I like the way they've dropped it down to the water line. Really gets you down lower, closer to the water. You're about 8 inches off the water line from here, and really gives you a nice platform for lounging and hanging out in the water. So as we move into the cockpit, first thing you'll notice is all of the seating that's here. I mean, you've got an area here that a bunch of people can sit around with a nice table, L-shaped seating here, and then check out the wet bar area. You've got a burner, a single burner, Kenyan burner there. You got a sink, isotherm fridge, keep some drinks cold there. Nice storage area up underneath here, all nicely fiberglass finished. Really a cool concept. Talk about the ultimate day boat. You know, you're going to burn a little bit of fuel. You're going to have just a little bit of noise when you dock this thing. I mean, we're still running right now. I can't even hear it standing here. And when you're docking it, you're literally just having to, you don't have any sound to really help you, or you don't really have any vibration. It's just absolutely silent. It's like driving a Prius, but a boat. So really a neat feature over here is this nice companion sun lounge area. You can either sit forward if you're running or lounge here, and you actually still get some sun the way they have this hardtop positioned, or this arch positioned. Very nice, beautiful helm station that we've all come to so used to seeing Sea Ray produce. Ray Marine, this does have a bow thruster, digital shift and throttle. Really nice, smooth feature. Got the push button start and stop, all your gauges. The boat has 117 hours on the engines and 35 hours on the generator, so very lightly used, and my guess is most of those engine hours were put on it by us prior to selling it to this owner. One thing you'll notice before we go down the cabin, look how they've integrated the steps going to the bow area. Really a nice step through, secure. It's not on the back side of the door on this particular boat, which is kind of nice. You don't have to worry about whether the doors are open or closed or latched. Walk straight forward. You got nice sun lounges forward. Electric windlass and stainless steel spotlight. Let's go down in the cabin. And as we step down here, first thing you're going to notice, what a great boat for a couple, or maybe a couple with some young children. Nice, large, U-shaped sofa area, table. You can either leave the table in or take it out. Some people will take it out on this, and I've actually included a picture of it removed. It's a factory picture of it actually removed. Gives you a ton of entertainment space, lounge space. You want to sit up here and play cards, have breakfast, whatever you want to do down here in the air conditioning, you can do it. Got a nice flat screen TV mounted in the corner. Galley area, position here on the port side. You know, you don't need a whole lot here with the big wet bar area up top. So you've got the built-in fridge, sink, and another microwave oven. And to me, the crown jewel of the boat, a sport cruiser, 37 foot, with a full beam master across the back of it. Bed's turned at an angle there, really makes it nice to be able to get in and out. You've got a sofa that you can sit down, take your shoes off, up there on the starboard side, with the TV nestled in the corner. Nice, full-size bed. What an absolutely beautiful, comfortable spot to be able to lounge. People are freaked out when they walk down here and they look in that mid-berth and see how much room this boat has. When you take those outboards and you mount them on the back of the boat and you don't have inboards to contend with, you can move that bulkhead back and really opens up a lot of living space for you. And then the shower. Got the bowl sink, wet head design. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Love to get you on board this boat. I think you'll be amazed by the room and space in it. If you're somebody that's looking for a boat for just you and your significant other to be able to go out, stay on for the weekend, this is a very comfortable boat, very fuel efficient, very quiet. I think you're going to be totally impressed with this boat. The boat is located in North Texas. We're about 30 minutes from either Dallas Love Field or DFW Airport. We'd love to have you come in and check it out. Thanks, and give us a shout. Bye-bye.